Hey guys, in this video we'll be just observing the size difference and the weight difference of the three lenses which are majorly used, or these are the three broad categories of lenses. So on the extreme left we are having the telephoto lens, which is the Sigma 150-600 mm lens, and in the middle we have the kit lens, which comes with most of the Canon DSLRs, for example 80D, and it has the focal length 18 to 135 mm. And the third one on the right is the Canon 50 mm prime lens, which basically means that it is the fixed focal length lens. And as you can see, the telephoto lens is pretty huge in size and also the weight. So this lens weighs about 1.8 kgs, which is huge. And then in the middle we are having the kit lens, which is having the variable focal length, and it weighs around 450 grams, which is like half a kg. And then on the extreme right we are having the prime lens, which weighs around 160 grams, so pretty light, like extremely light. So telephoto lens is used for the bird photography, or for photography or videography of items which are very far. And then we are having the kit lens, which is generally used um, if you want to avoid carrying multiple lenses. And the third one, which is the prime lens, is used for example portraits. Like 50 mm is great for portraits. So these three are having different purposes and different use cases. So the middle one is the most versatile, while the prime lens is for very specific purpose, and the telephoto lens is for bird photography or astrophotography, things like that.